Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry topping for funnel cake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of fresh or frozen strawberries. If using frozen, allow them to thaw slightly. Next, grab 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten all the flavors. These few items are all you need to create a delicious topping. Now let's prepare the star of our show, the strawberries. If you are using fresh berries, make sure to wash them well and remove the green hulls. For larger strawberries, cut them into halves or quarters to ensure even cooking. Smaller berries can be left whole. Once prepared, transfer all the strawberries into a medium-sized saucepan, ready for the next step. With your strawberries in the saucepan, it is time to add the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Stir everything together gently to coat the berries. Place the saucepan over medium heat. As the mixture warms, the strawberries will release their juices. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. To achieve that perfect topping consistency, gently mash about 1/3 of the strawberries directly in the saucepan. This will create a thicker, more sauce-like texture. Now, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavor beautifully. Continue to simmer for an additional 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken further. Serve this warm, delightful topping generously over your freshly made funnel cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.